Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Beat Solo 3 off and unplugging any lightning or audio cables. This prevents shorts and accidental pairing. Next, remove the ear cushions. Pry the edge gently, exposing the plastic retainer and hidden screws. Use a small Phillips screwdriver, turn counterclockwise, then set screws into a labeled tray so you won't lose them. Once the cups are off, you'll see the headband ends and wiring harness. Make sure the battery is undisturbed before proceeding. Now you'll detach the old headband. First, unplug any ribbon or speaker wire connectors from the ear cup PCBs. Use a spudger to lift clips without tearing. Then remove screws or release the plastic clips that hold the headband mounts. Both sides must be freed so the headband comes away cleanly. Take photos or mark the wiring orientation with a small piece of tape, because correct routing prevents pinching and ensures the padding aligns when you install the new band. Install the replacement headband by routing the speaker wires through the same channel. Once aligned, plug connectors back onto the PCBs. Confirm pins match orientation. Seat the headband mounts, then fasten screws just snug. Over-tightening can crack plastic. Reinstall ear cushions and power the headset on. Pair with your device, play audio, and test the mic. If Bluetooth pairing fails, reset the Solo 3 by pressing and holding the power button for 10 seconds. This often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.